Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you so much for being here. I want to talk to you today. I want to drop a little probate tip on you, something that I see time and time again with the clients that come in here and hire us to help them do their probates. Just in case you're going through it, this is something that you can do right away, that you don't need a lawyer for, that can really help you out. Before we get there though, if you have estate planning or probate questions and you want to talk to someone that knows a little bit about that, you can talk to me, who is someone that knows a little bit about that. This is turning red. This is going badly, this intro. I'm kidding. You can talk to me at estatemeeting.com. Over the phone, or in person, for free, with me, estatemeeting.com. And I promise to be a better talker than I am right now. But I digress. Let's talk about probate real quick. So often I have people call me, a loved one has died, they are trying to figure out what to do and how to handle the situation and whether or not they even need a probate. And one of the things that we always talk about are what debts are outstanding, what's out there. And when I ask that question, people would often tell me, well, like a cable bill's coming in, credit card bill's coming in, we've just been paying those off, blah, blah, blah. And I always tell them, I'm going to tell you as well right now, for the time, for the time being, until you figure out what you're going to do, stop paying those bills. The only bills that I encourage people to keep paying are ones that are related to sort of any ongoing interest in some sort of property. So if you have a house, I'd keep paying the electric bill, the water bill, property taxes, insurance. Same with a car, if there's any like car insurance, I probably would keep paying that just in case somebody ran into it or something, things like that. So those essential items, I would continue paying those bills. Non-essential items, I just would stop. The reason for that is when you start a probate, there is this process in the middle called the creditor claim process. What that essentially is a sort of something that's set up to allow anybody that has a debt outstanding against the person that's died to collect on that debt, or at least present that debt to the estate. It's a 4-month period. Known creditors, people that you know about that you owe money to, they get specific notice. Everybody else gets a notice in the newspaper. But once that once that 4-month period is over, then you don't have to pay on any other outstanding bills. So if somebody comes up to you 5 months later and says, the decedent owes me XYZ, you can say, I'm sorry, the creditor claim period is over. We don't owe you any money, okay? This is important because knowing that, then you can distribute the funds and you can do all kinds of other stuff, all right? So and the next question is, well, this one's gone to collections, now what? It's okay, same process. They present the claim, and if it's a good claim, then they get paid on it. If it's not a good claim, then they don't get paid. And by the way, here's a little secret that not everybody tells you, but they should. Many creditors do not submit proper claims in a probate, and they lose their claim. So if you want to save a little bit of money potentially for the estate and for the heirs, then you would want to go through this creditor claim process. There's no promises. If they submit a good claim, you pay it. But if they don't, you don't. And that's what we're going for. All right, so that's it. Tip of the day, if you have lost a loved one, which by the way, my condolences for that. I know when we're talking about this stuff, it can sometimes come off as unemotional. I totally understand and can empathize with your pain. But when that happens, we have things to do. And that's what we're here to talk about. So if you lose a loved one, please stop paying the bills until you talk to somebody or figure out what you're going to do. And then once you have a strategy, you can go from there. All right, that's it. I'm Christopher Small, owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. If you'd like to talk to me for free on the phone or in person about your estate planning or probate needs, please go to estatemeeting.com and we'll make that happen. That's it. Hope you have a great day, week, month, life, everything. All right, that's it. Talk to you soon. Bye.